So we have a reoccurring problem out here at Mr. Camp's house with drainage washing out his road. And we'll show you here in a little while the problem that we got down there. But first, before we dig a ditch to help redirect the water, we need to clear a way out for our dump truck to get through to the field where we're going to be building a berm. So over the course of the video, we're going to go over the problem places and where most of the washout is, where we're going to build the berms, where we're going to dig the ditches, and hopefully all of this will come together by the end of it. But for now, I need to get my truck through that gate. So we're going to start off by clearing some of this out. Got it all the brush knocked down. We've got the wire that was twisted up in there, pushed out of the way. So we're gonna redig this ditch out a little bit more, and we're gonna use this material to fill in this because our truck is really not designed to be going over terrain like that. So we're gonna get that ditch filled in, and hopefully by the time Joe gets back, we're gonna have at least a lane to start moving the material from other ditches that we're gonna be digging later on here in the job. So we got the ditch dug out. Eventually we'll probably have to come back and swale this one out a little bit more. Maybe a few more scoops of topsoil. We should be able to fill in a little bit more of the bigger ruts that we have back here. We're just about to the point where we can get a truck in and out of this gate without beating it or the driver up too much. So we're waiting on Joe. When Joe gets back, we're gonna go back down. We'll be able to show you exactly where we're having the biggest issues with this washout problem. Hopefully get some more topsoil up here, and then we can get the truck in where it needs to be. So of course, this is probably more than enough to get the truck in and out. We ended up going back down to get a little more topsoil out of the ditch that we're gonna drive. And come to find out, the soil up here was super soft, really easy to work with, so I was able to doze a lane through. We got the brush clear, we got the wire out of the way, we got all the gates that need to be closed, and we got this gate open. So we should be ready to start hauling loads, digging that ditch.
And this is the truck we're using today. It's a 1999 Chevrolet 35. Another beautiful day out here in southern Middle Tennessee.
For game planning.
Yeah, basically yes. And just look at this beautiful, beautiful field that we're out in right now.
So I've actually had a customer call us up for a truckload of gravel. What he did was he dug a ditch alongside his driveway and spread the dirt out all over the driveway, which first rain we got, it turned into mud. So what we're gonna do is dig the trench and immediately put the cuttings and the topsoil that comes out of there, and we're gonna load it straight into the dump truck that we have on site here and haul this material out of here. He's struggling.
You know, you give a guy one simple task. Take that two-wheel drive truck out in the field on the hillside and don't get stuck.
All right.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go forward.
He's getting lower and lower, closer to the trees.
We're going to make sure that we get as close to the trees and the piles of dirt as possible. That's going to help.
Yep. And then
All right.
go slowly up the hill.
Go right back to where we started.
Right. Make sure your wheels are spinning and not getting any traction.
All right. Now, we're going to straighten her out.
Go farther away. And slowly go down the hill.
Closer to the trees. It's getting
Stop.
closer to the trees.
Oh,
Now-
yeah, let's back up.
Punch it. Just punch it. If your tires ain't spinning, you ain't winning.
He might make it out.
Oh, he's getting it.
He's spinning. Oh, but you got it.
He got it.
So proud of him.
How long has he been gone?
Oh, at least 6 minutes.
6. I was gonna say closer to 10 or 15.
Well, that was an expensive trip.
It is beautiful out here, though.
Yeah, I like to go on a picnic or a hike.
So we're gonna go with LJ and see what the big deal is back here.
It's not recording. Cody,
What?
it's not recording.
Sure?
Oh, now it is. You just started it. Okay, let it rip.
We're good.
It's not like we've taken anything out of the driveway that was there.
Didn't dig into the road.
Yeah.
Fighting the roots and everything kind of pushed it one way or the other, but I'd say for the most part, we stayed off the road.
Yeah.
And mostly drive the trucks.
Yeah, because you're better at both.
We live?
You live?
Okay. We're gonna go get some railroad ties.
All right.
Get the forks on and go get the ties, bring them down here. I noticed wasp won't make a nest on railroad ties.
It's probably all the chemicals, yeah. Creosote and
Soap?
creosote.
Soak.
Soap?
Yeah.
Soap.
A lot of people say soak.
Wow. Alright.
You say press soak.
Okay, so what are we doing here?
All right, so we're extending the line of ties that we did a few years back. The idea being to kind of act as a curb so somebody doesn't run off in the ditch. And in the event of a really heavy rain, to catch the excess water and keep it from pushing up onto the driveway and washing out the gravel.
Are they noticeably lighter
This one is.
being so old?
Oh, yeah. I know. Ah, yeah, I'm all screwed up.
Worse than trying to play basketball in front of a pretty girl.
Okay. All the ties are laid. You have anything to say?
Gravel.
So we'll do some.
Watch Joe spread some more gravel.
Okay, so we're coming down to the end of the day. Cody's just doing some final clean out with the mini excavator, and Joe's going to do a little bit more grading. We'll move the last of the crush run gravel up here on the road, and it should be about it for this job. All in all, it's went really well.
And we'll help redo.
So we're back out here at the campsite today, and we're gonna spread some pea gravel in this little horse pasture area, and this will give them something good to walk on that won't hurt their feet. Right now Joe's waiting on me to open the door, so let me go do that. Find them and rake some gravel out and make it look really nice. So we just finished up here at the campground, and this is the final product.